Inside, Copper. Copper! Copper! Inside.
Go on.
Go. Come on, get inside, I'll watch it. Get closer.
Kenny, it might be coming this way.
It looks like it may have stopped.
Yeah, it does.
It looks like there was probably one there though.
Man, that dude scared me, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought the house was on fire.
Well, I know. I'm glad he told us. I've never witnessed this in my life. First ever. And you know what? I always said I always want to see a tornado. Always.
Looks like it was trying, but it just gave up.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to keep an eye on it.
Oh, yeah. It's getting closer to us, and the top and the bottoms.
It is, because I said it's coming this way, and it is going up. Wow. We are officially tornado chasers.
Ever heard of there being a tornado in Colorado? I mean, hell, I've lived here all my life, but I didn't think they were an issue here. Wow.
This is probably what developed it. This one right here, and yeah. Wow, this is great. I mean, hopefully it stays up. You know.
Yeah, I'm hoping so.
Well,
stay up, at least move over a couple houses.
I saw him drive by,
yeah.
and he had, and it was like he looked, and he was driving fast, and he was looking this way, and I'm like, what's his problem? And I said, you know, he runs up. Hey, you better look behind your house. I'm like, what?
Yeah, it's done. It's slowly dissipating. The birds are coming back.
Hopefully it just goes right back up.
Yeah, looks like it.
I've always wanted to witness a tornado
Got a good picture of
forming.
that?
I'm filming it.
I definitely need a picture of that.
I'm filming it.
Maybe you can see it spinning at the bottom.
Yep.
It may not be quite this big.
Well, if it starts coming back down, because it's definitely coming this way. If you look, stare at it, there's like a vein right in the middle. You see it?
You can see it. A little vein, and it's going up though.
Yep.
Yep, it's done.
It's done. I got